After traditionally being non-drinker for decades, the women alcohol market is expected to grow by 25% over the next 5 years. Mentioned Indian government for alcohol studies. What is at-risk drinking? Is it true that women start having alcohol-related problems sooner and at lower drinking levels than men?
बोलिए जी अनीता जी, रविंदर जी, बलजीत जी.
No idea.
No idea. Raminder ji.
Yeah, sir. There are women who have gone into drinking because in adolescent time, they take it that if we are modernized, it has been associated with modernization. Fine. It causes equal harm to men and women, but definitely when we talk about their pregnancy that they have to go through in the childbirth, if they are taken before the plan for the pregnancy or during pregnancy, definitely it is going to be more harmful for the fetus and will cause more complications.
So alcohol के बारे में simple guidelines हैं. Alcohol and fatty liver can't go together. So all those women who have fatty liver, alcohol is going to trouble you in future. That's fine. Number two, if your triglycerides are high, you cannot take alcohol. Number three, women metabolize alcohol differently than men. Women are slow metabolizers. So 30 ml of alcohol in women will behave the same way as 60 ml in men. Remember that. अगर एक औरत ने 30 ml पी और आप हस्बैंड वाइफ दोनों ने 30 ml पी तो समझ लीजिए औरत ने 60 ml पी ली है because they are slow metabolizers. Women who take regular alcohol and for post alcohol, if they take 3 grams of aspirin, paracetamol, अगर वो दो गोलियां दिन में 3 बार जो पहले लार्ज क्रोसिन आती थी अगर वो 3 ग्राम क्रोसिन खा ले so they can develop fatal liver illness and die. So therefore in women the dose of alcohol is half than the dose of men. That's one thing is very clear. Now what is the normal dose in men? It depends upon for the purpose you are drinking. If you are drinking to relax, if you want to relax, कि मुझे सिर्फ enjoyment चाहिए, I just want to relax and then I want to work and do everything, then the dose is 18 ml in men and 9 ml in women. 18 gram in 18 ml in men and 10 ml in women. 1/3 of a pack. So 1/3 of a pack, 10 ml. If you mix it up in a juice, like a mocktail, 10 ml of 80%, 80 proof, 40% alcohol. If you take it in a juice, it relaxes you. पर जो लोग प्रोग्राम देख रहे हैं चालू मत करना, आपके लिए नहीं है, ये उन लोगों के लिए है जो पीते हैं और कम करना चाहते हैं. तो so उस सिचुएशन में 10 ml will relax you. More than 10 ml आपको चढ़ाएगी, आपको मस्ती आएगी. तो अगर आप उस काम के लिए ले रहे हो तो बॉडी में नुकसान करेगी. Now अगर आपको कोई कॉन्ट्रा इंडिकेशन नहीं है, then 30 ml अगर आप लेते हो एक दिन में ट्वाइस ए वीक तो आपको हार्म नहीं करेगी, लेकिन 30 ml का मतलब है आपको थोड़ी करेगी. फॉर एग्जांपल 30 ml पे आपका कॉग्निटिव फंक्शन खराब हो जाएगा. आप 30 ml के अंदर में आप कोई आदमी आपको बहकाएगा तो आप सच बोल दोगे हर चीज को. सो 30 ml की जो डोज है उसमें आप अल्कोहल पीने के बाद में you will not be, your judgment capacity will go away. But if you want to preserve your judgmental capacity, it should not be more than 10 ml in women.